CviLux was founded in 1990 under the leadership of Chairman Yang Chao-chun. The business philosophy is active, innovative, and effective. We are a world-leading OEM manufacturer of connectors, flat flexible cables, and cable assemblies, which are used to the electronics industries such as industrial, laptop, automotive, communications, optoelectronics, IoT, computers, etc. Our customers include some of the international renowned manufacturers, and our products are distributed to the EMS qualified manufacturers around the world, including Europe, Asia, and America. We obtained the International Quality Systems and Electronics Industry certifications. CviLux headquarters with high-precision automatic production line is located in Tamsui, Taipei, and operates totally 7 plants at Tamsui in Taiwan, Dongguan, Suzhou, Chongqing, and Hefei in China, and Laos to meet worldwide delivery trend. CviLux aims to become a world-leading corporation in profitability and corporate branding. The vision is to have our shareholders and employees be part of the future success when our products connect the world to you. CviLux products have been distributed through European, Asian, and American markets. With the efficient information system and global organization ability, CviLux provides good local service worldwide. CviLux will keep extending overseas sales network and cooperating with world-famous enterprises on OBM, ODM, OEM cases. In the past, CviLux stood for stable, speedy, and quality. In the future, CviLux will go on to offer faster, better, and add-on value products with great service to win your trust.